I am Bernard Gichana. I'm the chairman, Southwest Kenya branch of LSK. Today we had organized some massive demonstrations against the loss of one of the judicial officers in Nairobi, Makadara Law Courts. And with us we have two judicial officers in Kisii Law Courts. And we want to state that we really condemn in the strongest terms possible the senseless and barbaric killing of the magistrate, the judicial officer. We wish to state that it's very unfortunate that the judicial officer lost her life while in the line of duty. So it's so sad that the security in our law courts appears compromised. We urge the government to beef up security for our judicial officers who are handling very sensitive matters. Further, I wish to state that we lost a very young life, very dynamic, who had a bright future, and she left behind a very small child. So I wish to state that I wish to condemn the killing, really, which happened within the court precincts. And as law society, we also feel that our lives are not safe because we are the stakeholders in justice system. We wish to state that the government appears not serious regarding the security of our judicial officers, and you saw even yesterday, we have taken a very strong stand against the killing, and we want to state that we are so saddened by the loss. The demonstrations are ongoing. Our president has called nationwide demonstrations, and we have heeded that call. I wish to thank our lawyers, our colleagues who have heeded the call to come and participate in the demonstrations. So we request the media to really condemn the acts, and we are really agitated. We wish to state that we have also met the county commissioner, and he has assured us that he is going to beef securities within the court precincts from tomorrow, and we take that assurance. So because security is not guaranteed, as you see, there are no police officers here, so it's quite worrying that our judicial officers who are handling some of the very sensitive matters are not well guarded. We also request the government to beef up security of our judicial officers even at their residences, so that they are safe, so that they're not threatened by, so that they're not worried about their security. And I want also to urge our judicial officers to be firm in the way they're handling their work, so that the criminal justice is safeguarded. Because this is the last pillar in our society. If the justice system collapses, ideally, we won't have order in society. So I beseech our judicial officers to be brave, so that they act firmly and they take just decisions.
Igotubwata maandamano manene ayu atangazitwe Kenya ngima ase ngencho yogo kwa honorable Kivuti oyo itwese ekoti ya Makadara Law Courts. Lero iga kune branch ya Southwest branch ya Law Society nigotu atweta maandamano yo morembe elio koene kinga tualetera ujumbe gochia se abanyanyimbo na bali bagane iriko beko borendi ase bigambiro beito ngama ngana talibuya abantu baito bagocha ase bigambiro ekegambiro nakie karu yoboene ekerere karu yoboene twamanyire konyoranga gaiga ase bigambiro no borendi butayo no emboli oboke abantu bali baito bakorukungana bago abana chebina nigo bamenyeta aso obwo bonene ase ngencho bona banyoreru asoko gosererio konene koru ase balia bagocha ase court security ase chikoti chaito bantu mbali gocha kiwekero bagocha aro abantu bagocha court baimogetie bioma ao